Hi, Melvin here from MaxiCare. I just want to answer this question para sa availment procedure ng MaxiCare E-Ready o E-Ready Advance. For the emergency availment procedure, step 1, go to the emergency room of the nearest MaxiCare affiliated hospital. Keyword dito is MaxiCare affiliated hospital. So, check nyo lang para masigurado kayo sa website MaxiCare affiliated hospital. Doon masasearch nyo kung anong malapit sa inyo. For step 2 naman, present MaxiCare. Ang papakita nyo lang yung number nyo o sa email na na-receive nyo from MaxiCare E-Ready or E-Ready Advance +1 government valid ID and company or school issued ID. So sa step 3 and 4, wala na kayong intindihin doon kundi si provider na o si hospital na. Keyword dito is accredited hospital at emergency case para may reference kayo. Salamat and God bless.